Hi guys, and welcome to my very first tutorial on how to back up your Minecraft server. So pretty much all you gotta do is follow these simple steps and you will be able to back up your server without having to relook at this video. If you do, that's cool. It'll take a few times, but yeah. Anyway, what you gotta do is go into your multi-craft login area, and as you can see, it's got my email in it, my one of my servers that I have. This one is basically being used as a machinima world that Sam Gladiator is going to be using for his one of those little secret future videos that he's going to be recording on. I'm not going to give any details of it, but anyway, all you gotta do is just log into your multi-craft and load up yeah, FileZilla. You'll see a open the site manager on the top left of your screen underneath the file button. You click on that, and basically you go back to your multi-craft website. There's going to be a button called Files underneath the chat console and players. You're going to click on that, and then config files, FTP file access, and backups is going to be appearing. What you're going to do is click on the FTP file access, and here's all of the information that you'll need. So basically, you're going to need the host, which is an IP address. Port number you don't need to put in. The FTP username, which is your email dot some random number. If it's different, that's okay. You still put it in the same place. And you're going to have to use your multicraft password and put it into your FTP, which is, I'll be showing you. See, your host is right here, right down here. And you're going to have to change the, okay, first you're going to have to copy the host IP, put it into your FTP host area. You can leave the port blank because it's the default number 21, and you just you change the login type. First it goes on anonymous, and then it's normal. You need to click on normal for it to work. You need to put in your email, which is user, and your password, which is your multicraft password. And then you click on connect, and there you go. You'll log in. You'll ignore this little area up here because that's a whole bunch of different coding and everything, different commands. The left side here is your local site, and I already have it set up and everything. I was gonna go back here, and pretty much what you're gonna do is that you're going to choose an area. You're going to right click, create directory, and call it whatever you want, but I already have it named, so I'm going to click cancel, and you're going to create a folder, which is the create directory. And mine is basically called Minecraft Backups, and I've got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different servers. So pretty much you're going to right click again, create directory, and name the folder probably after your server, just in case you get many other servers at that you're going to be hosting as well. And then and here I named mine as Bree, just for the shits and giggles, because I was bored. And then basically you create a you go into your folder, and you right click again, you go to create directory, and you make a folder which is for today's date, because if you do it today's date, you'll figure out which one is your latest one. So pretty much January, which is 01 dash 20, because it's 12:51 a.m. here, and dash 2013. Click enter, and you go into the 120, and you go into the folder. You go back to your multicraft, you hit back, and you click stop. And this is very important. If you do not stop your server, you cannot back it up fully because your server is going to be regenerating new data. So it needs to stop completely, and then you just go on to your remote site, Control A, and you drag your files into your local site. And it should start. It'll start up, which mine just did. And here is the information of where it's being downloaded from. And for me, it's going to take me a while, and you're probably wondering why I got many different percentages. Pretty much, how I set it up is that you have to click on the button beside File, go to Settings, and click on Transfers. Not the file types or file it exists action. You click on Transfers, and the maximum transfers you can do, I think the default is either 1 or 2. You're gonna highlight it and change it to 10, so that way it will look like this. It will start downloading them 10, and it's gonna be a whole lot quicker if you do it that way. If you have good internet. If you don't, I would recommend you doing it at 4 or 5, because you can actually lag out your internet and cause your internet to crash from downloading so many files. And here you don't really have to worry about, because it's all saved inside of your remote site, which is your server. And the queued files is the files left in the queue. The successful transfers are all the files that has been already downloaded, which I'm going to delete it, and it's going to show you right here. See, there's nothing here, and it's got 160 files, well, whatever, and it's already transferred all these, and it'll show everything. So pretty much, let's just listen to some music as we're waiting. Click. It's already done. Okay, so pretty much I'm just gonna stop the little video, and there you go. You have successfully transferred your server, and once it's done, it'll say status file transfer successful transferred. Well, with my server, it is 696,320 bytes, which is about, I'd say, 696 megabytes or 69 megabytes. So that's pretty much it. All the files are right here, and if you load it up, go to new, you go to Minecraft backups, you go to Bree, you go into the date that you've done it, and it's all right here, which I have downloaded about, let's see, oh, it's not giving me, damn. So pretty much just go back out, go to properties. I downloaded 421 megabytes in about a minute. So, no, 2-3 minutes, whatever. But anyway, there you go, guys. Now you have learned and successfully, and you should successfully backed up your Minecraft server. If not, leave a comment below, like the video, or subscribe to my channel. If you want any more tutorials on anything else, comment the channel, and once I see it, and if I can do it, I will share my knowledge towards you. I don't care what it is. If it's Minecraft based, a TTT server based, which is Trouble in Terrorist Town, which I actually have my own right now that I'm slowly setting up, and it's got a lot of errors. I'm still trying to figure out how the fuck why it's doing it. But yeah, it is password protected, so you can't really join it just yet. It's gonna be public fairly soon. I just gotta figure out some ways to do it. And anyway, you guys have fun. Keep it gaming. Enjoy life.